Today I'm going to make a yellow Kyber crystal. First, you need to find yourself a green lightsaber and crack it open to get at the crystal center.
Oh, wait a minute, it just comes out the top. I didn't need to break it. Oops, my bad.
Now, as we all know, green is a composite of yellow and blue, so clearly, all we have to do is extract the blue. So find yourself a clear Kyber crystal. And then align the crystals in an electromagnetic apparatus. Then set up a lightning rod on the roof of a castle in Pennsylvania. No, Transylvania. Next, wait for a lightning storm. And that's how you make a yellow lightsaber. And for those of you who don't understand humor and are mashing the dislike button right now, I sell yellow Kyber crystals in my Etsy store, link below. But you better hurry up because there's like 10 left and they take a week to make. Well, be ready. It's this whole thing. Alright, now I gotta get back to making droids.